And good Thursday evening. Hope everyone is staying safe and staying warm out there on this kind of wintry Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening across a good portion of northwest Georgia. We've had this light snow, very light out there, and we've been telling you that the snowfall itself was not going to be the major deal. What we were really watching and concerned about was after the snowfall, this little light snow dusted off the place, that it would actually freeze and cause icy conditions, and that would cause some slick roadways, especially late tonight and even more so tomorrow morning. And that's exactly what we're still expecting to happen, which is why we've been so kind of concerned with this storm system. Not so much that we're expecting a lot of snow. We already told you that this was not a heavy snowmaker. Anytime you get a storm system that moves in from the north and slides into the area, it's not a big snow producer for us. We have to have our moisture that comes from the south, and that just wasn't the case with a storm system rolling in from the north. But we'll have our chances for those down the line. But this storm system is a concern because of the icy conditions and the very, very cold temperatures that are going to be coming up very soon. You're going to definitely notice. You think it's cold out there right now. It's going to definitely get much colder by tomorrow morning across the area. All right, we do have some pictures that are rolling in. Some of the pictures emailed to me here. This is from Judah and Cahutta, showing us here quite a little bit of a light snow, about a half an inch to an inch down there. But again, the key to note here, look at this driveway. You notice how this driveway, for the most part, is kind of wet. Now, this picture was taken earlier this afternoon, and I've noticed that even here at the station, here down here at the studios, the parking lot that we have is actually snow covered now. So this was taken a little earlier, but you can see all the icy conditions laying down there, and also kind of the same thing there, but again, about a half an inch or so of snow there. But this is what we're going to have to watch out for tonight, with some black ice developing here where the ground is white. And this is from Ethan over in Ringgold. I guess they got out of school again a little earlier today and had a little bit of snowfall again covering the ground there, enough to build a little bit of snowball, have a little snowball fight and a little snowman activity taking place there. Now, I want to take a look at some video, and this is some video shot earlier by some of our reporters here in the field. And you can see here we've had some snow falling. People are getting some gas, getting that tank filled up. You cannot buy snow like what this guy was doing right here at the ATM there. You see this snowfall falling across the area, even a frozen fountain or two out there. And this was from Ringgold last night, I think, actually there. So you can see a nice little ice sculpture developing there. All right, going back to the radar picture again, you'll be able to see here's our main snow pushing the east, but I'm watching this band this evening that's developing. This is going to give us one more burst of snow coming up throughout the evening hours here, and then behind that, we'll be watching, you can see some scattered flurries and snow showers developing up here around Nashville. That will move in behind the cold front itself, and we could expect to see some flurries, maybe even a few snow showers in our higher elevations, but the most significant snow will be out of the area. Here is a look here at this band, and this is again, the weathercast is been taping this here around 6 o'clock this evening. But as you can see, here's that band at around 6 to 7 o'clock, and you can see quite an enhancement of some precipitation from Huntsville stretching all the way back up through north to Chattanooga. And this band is the actual Arctic front that's going to be coming in, and it's going to squeeze out any available moisture that's left. And so we expect one more good burst of snow to move through the area before this all dries out. Here's a look at the regional radar composites. You can see this one batch moving on through. Here's the front, and it's coming through with a main Arctic air mass, and then behind it, very cold air. And again, you can see a few flurries and snow showers, and that's what we'll be dealing with. So here's the front coming on through tonight. So we do have a winter weather advisory still in effect from the National Weather Service for the entire area coming up, and this is out through midnight tonight for the snowfall. Now, going into Friday, again, just a few flurries out there, no big deal. Highs only 28. Now, by the way, another thing, the wind chills tonight are going to be dropping well below zero. We're talking wind chills dropping down below zero, so wind chill advisory probably in effect for us overnight tonight. And then again, cloudy skies for the most part and a few flurries flying out there. Highs only 28 Friday. We may see the same conditions going on basically on Saturday. And look at these low temperatures. Sunday morning, 9 degrees here in the city. We warm up to about 32 degrees. The sun returns on Sunday, and we have a slow warming trend as we head finally into next week. And we'll have to watch the system by next Thursday and Friday as well. Could be coming up from the south that we'll have to keep an eye out on by that time. All right, here's some of the latest school information, by the way, here that I have here as a recording this evening here for you. Dalton State College, again, no night classes tonight, and they are delaying classes till 10 a.m. on Friday. They did say that this was subject to change if icy conditions continue through tomorrow morning. They may cancel classes as well a little later on there. We'll continue to keep you updated on that. Whitfield County Schools, again, closed on Friday as well, getting that information in, as well as Murray County Schools. Also, Catoosa County Schools closed on Friday. Walker County Schools closed Friday also, and for you folks down to the south, Calhoun City Schools are also closed on Friday. So plenty of school closings there. Continue to keep you updated on the school closings as they kind of roll in this evening. And also, We'll have much more on this light snow and flurry activity, but after this ends, we're going to be talking about some much colder air moving into the area. That's a look at your weather webcast video on this wintry Thursday. Stay with us. We hope to have the next one on for you coming up by Friday. Have a great evening.